Hello everyone, I'm Mireya, and you're watching ESG Matters, daily updates from Japan. Today, we explore the recently recognized Kaname Forest in Oguni, Yamagata, known for its serene mountain landscape and biodiversity preservation efforts. This acknowledgement signifies a commitment to conservation, stewardship, and environmental balance. Mitsui & Co. has disclosed that the Kaname Forest has been designated as a nature coexistence site by Japan's Ministry of the Environment. This recognition extends beyond protected areas like national parks, highlighting private initiatives contributing significantly to biodiversity conservation and aligning with Japan's global objective of conserving over 30% of land and sea by 2030. Part of the Mitsui and Cumber Forest collection, the Kaname Forest has been managed by Mitsui since 2005. Situated near the striking Asahi mountain range, it boasts a picturesque expanse of natural beech woodland, earning it the local moniker the White Forest due to the pale bark of the beech trees. Nearly 99% of the forest remains untouched in its original state, providing a haven for indigenous species like the Japanese sero and Asiatic black bear. The forest sustains two essential water systems, Arasawa and Kurosawa, crucial for local hydrology and ecosystem equilibrium. Mitsui is actively promoting the transition of plantation areas towards complete natural regrowth, aiming for total native regeneration in the future. This marks Mitsui's second nature coexistence site, following the recognition of its Kiyotaki forest last year. Through the inclusion of both forests in the international OECM database, Mitsui underscores its dedication to the global 30 by 30 biodiversity target, emphasizing practical and science-based forest management practices. Today's narrative underscores that sustainability doesn't always demand grand gestures or rapid actions. Sometimes it manifests in the form of a tranquil forest, meticulously watched over for years, now echoing a profound message for future generations. I'm Mireya, and this was ESG Matters. Until tomorrow, let's each strive to tread a little more lightly on our planet.